Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, you are going to learn how to hard reset DJI Osmo Mobile 6 step-by-step factory reset guide and troubleshooting tips. Method 1. Hard reset the Bluetooth connection. Step 1. Turn on the Osmo Mobile 6. Step 2. Press and hold the switch button, shutter or record button and trigger at the same time. Step 3. Hold them for about 1 second. Step 4. The status light should change indicating the Bluetooth connection has been reset. Step 5. Open the DJI Mimo app and pair the gimbal again. Method 2. Factory reset through DJI Mimo app. Step 1. Power on the Osmo Mobile 6. Step 2. Connect it to your phone through the DJI Mimo app. Step 3. Tap the settings gear icon. Step 4. Scroll down and find factory reset. Step 5. Select it and confirm the reset. Step 6. Wait for the process to finish. Step 7. Restart the gimbal and reconnect it. Troubleshooting tips. If the gimbal won't connect, remove the Osmo Mobile 6 from your phone's Bluetooth list. Restart Bluetooth on your phone. Perform the Bluetooth reset again. Reconnect through DJI Mimo. If the gimbal shakes or tilts, make sure the magnetic clamp is centered on the phone. Remove heavy accessories or cases. Run auto calibration again. If the device freezes, turn the gimbal off. Wait 10 to 15 seconds. Turn it back on. If needed, perform a factory reset. If firmware problems started after an update, open DJI Mimo, check for a newer firmware update, retry the update with a stable internet connection and sufficient battery power. Thanks for watching the video. Do like, comment and share the video. Subscribe to our channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon.